everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite Green Gandhi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please guys take a small moment and subscribe to my channel. It means a world for me. For today's look, I have created normal, very casual summer spring look, and it is very easy to create this one. So for today's look, I have purchased some product from the Amazon, and let me just tell you, on the Amazon you will get great quality of the product at a huge discount, and also you will get 1-day delivery service if you have Prime account. So what are you waiting for? Just buy products from the Amazon at a huge discount. On the Amazon Spring Summer Sale has come, and during the sale you will get 80% off on your favorite fashion and beauty products. Apart from that, there has been 8,000 plus brands, 40 lakhs plus styles, and on which 4-star rating on 7,000 plus styles. Buy more, save more. Without keeping this intro very long, let's just get into the video. I have tied up my hairs, and now I'm just going to do face wash, because in the summer our first step would be the face wash, because my skin feels super oily and there are so many dirt particles, pollution particles, and so many impurities on our face. So our first step would be always face wash. For the face wash, I am just going to using one of my favorite product, and this one is from Mamaearth. This one is their micellar foaming face wash, and it also help to remove your makeup. Apart from this one also help to remove your dirt, your impurities, and all the harmful particles from your face. This one comes with a built-in brush, and the bristles of this one, oh my god, it feels super smooth. It feels so soft. Seriously, I'm not kidding guys. I just have washed my face, and now you can also see the difference. It looks very healthy. It looks very glowy, and look at this. It's completely oil free, and it's just the perfect base for the summer makeup look. In the next part, I am just going to applying this Pond's Lightweight Gel Cream, and the main ingredient of this product is hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. It will definitely help to improve your skin texture, and this one is, trust me, very lightweight, and it just quickly absorb in your skin. Look at the texture. It provides suitable amount of hydration to your skin, and look at this. It has just nourished my skin, and it looks very juicy and very soft. For the primer, I am going to using Maybelline New Anti-Redness Plus Primer, and this one is the best who are facing problem with the reddish skin, because it is helpful, and it is very helpful to fade out your redness on your face. I have just taken very small amount of it, and I'm just going to rub it with my finger and directly applying on where I have redness on my skin. Just look at this. It one has slightly brightened up my face, and apart from that one, it also has covered my reddish scar. This primer is very affordable who are facing problem with the reddish skin, and it also comes in a green undertone. That's why it is very helpful to fade out redness from your skin. For the foundation, I'm going to using this foundation from the Mamaearth, and this one is their vitamin C serum foundation. It is serum based foundation. That's why it is very lightweight, and it just glides. It just melts in your skin just like a butter on a tawa. I know it's very weird example, but yeah, it just works like that way. I'm just going to taking very small amount of it at back of my hand. That's it. It will give you nice coverage, I promise that. Applying dots on my face. I have taken Wet Beauty Blender from the Mars Cosmetic, and it is literally very good one. It doesn't soak your very much product, and it just help to blend the foundation in your skin perfectly. Look at this. मैंने अभी एक ही स्टेटमेंट बोला और फाउंडेशन कितनी अच्छे से मैट हो गया हमारी स्किन में. This one is the best foundation. And let me just tell you my shade of this foundation. Actually, I don't remember. And yes, don't forget to apply it on your neck area, otherwise you will look very very weird. For the concealer, I'm just going to apply this Swiss Beauty concealer, and this one is really good one. Actually, the price of this one is just around 150 to 200, and look at the coverage. Let me just show you the coverage, and you will shock. You will definitely going to shock. Actually, I can compare this concealer with any luxurious concealer which cost you just around like 2000, 3000 or maybe 4000 rupees. I can compare this 200 wala concealer with that pricey, costly 4000 wala concealer. This is the best. And I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender. My shade of foundation is 05 Beach Glow, and my shade of the Swiss Beauty Concealer is Sand. Now we are going to moving on with the liquid brush, and this one is from O2, and this product is literally trending on the internet right now. I have seen so many YouTubers, I have seen so many Instagram influencers which are using this blush, and they will be like perfect, and it will give you velvety blush kind of effect. I'm like, wow, velvety blush kind of effect. Let me just try out and let me just show you. I have taken very small amount of it, and this one is, trust me, super pigment, and you just need tiny dots on your face. I have told you, like, this one is very pigmented, and look at this. But now we are just going to blend it with the finger, and it is just going to mix with the foundation and give you very naturally finished look. I love this. I definitely love this. एक्चुअली आज के वीडियो में जो भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं ना, वो इतनी अच्छे से ब्लेंड होते हैं ना, लाइक आई कांट टेल यू. वेट अ सेकेंड. ऑलराइट, वो बहुत ही अच्छे से हमारे स्किन में मेल्ट हो जाता है, एंड इट विल गिव यू वेरी नेचुरली फिनिश लुक. Because in the summer I really don't like to apply lots of products. I don't like to put lots of layers on my face, because at some point my skin like वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा sweaty फील होता है स्किन को, and I literally don't like. Instead of applying makeup, wearing lots of layer, I prefer to go with bare face. I'm super happy that our base looks very flawless, very natural finish look, and this is what we need in the summer. For today's look, I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow on my eyes, because I really want to make it super simple, very classy and sober. So for today's look, we are just going to apply mascara, which give us good amount of volume and which also lengthen our mascara. That's it. This mascara has just become one of my favorite one, and I still remember I have applied 1 or 2 times, and yes, that's it. Formulation is very impressive. Don't forget to take out all the excess product from your mascara font. I'm just done with the applying mascara. Can you see the difference? Without curling my lashes, it just has nicely curled my eyelashes, and it also has lengthened my mascara. At the same time, it also has volume, give good amount of volume to my eyelashes. And let me just tell you the price of this one. It will cost you just around 500 rupees, and let me just tell you, it is worth the money wala product. For the lipstick, I am going to using e.l.f. Cosmetics Sheer Sleek lipstick, and this one has perfect pink kind of shade. I really love this one, and the shade of this one is called Fruit Crab. Just look at the shade, how juicy, how beautiful, and how tempting it looks. I really wanna eat this one rather than applying on my lips. It just just beautifully glides on your lips and it just melted on your lips just like a smooth butter. Also it will give you a little bit shine and it also help to hydrate your lips. So my loves, that's it for today's video. I hope you will enjoy this look, and also guys, I'm just going to add all the links of the product in my description box so you can just start wishlisting your product, and during Amazon Spring Summer Sale you can purchase from your wishlist at a good discount. So just start wishlisting your favorite product.